Hello everyone, today we're back with another competition math problem, and this is a geometry problem, so let's dive right into it. It's find the area enclosed within the region that has the equation 4x squared minus 12x plus 4y squared plus 56y minus 471 equals to 0. So the first thing I would think is to find the area enclosed within the shape. So the first thing that I would need to know is what shape is this? Well, when I think of a shape, I'm thinking of different formulas. I know that x minus a squared plus y minus k squared, and then this is equal to r squared, where r is the radius, and hk as coordinates, r is the center. So let's try to bring this equation into this format, then we can easily find the area. Okay, so the first thing that's different here is that the first thing we have to do is to bring the negative 471 to the right side of the equation. So to do that, we can just add 471 on both sides. And when I inspect this, I see that 4, negative 12, 4, 56 are all multiples of 4. This means that we can divide both whole equations by 4, both sides of the equation by 4, and we end up with x squared minus 3x plus y squared plus 14x equals to 471 over 4. Let's convert that to decimal form, and that's equal to 117.75. Okay, so the next step is to convert this part into this format and this part into this format. So basically we have to do something called completing the square. So what we have to do is x squared minus 3x plus blank will give us something in this format, and then we can also say that plus y squared plus we have here as 14x. Oh, sorry, I meant to say this is actually 14y. I'm sorry, 14y, and just write that down as y squared plus 14y plus blank, and then this is all equal to and then this is equal to 117.75, and this is and then this part is supposed to factor out nicely into y minus k squared. So both of these have to be by the product of two binomials. Okay, so what can fit into this to produce a product of two binomials? So let's think about it for a second. Okay, so let's expand x minus h, the quantity x minus h squared, you get x squared minus the product of these two, 2x times 2, which is minus 2xh, and plus the second term squared, so minus h squared is plus h squared. So so the product of 2 times the value is the second term, which is negative 3. So therefore that this part must be negative 1.5. And also, if you square that, then it'll become 1.5 squared, which is equal to 2.25. So if you can do the same thing here, or actually in this case, since you're dealing with a positive one, it should be y plus k. Then it comes up with y squared plus 2, actually ky plus k squared. So this is the product of 2 times these two. So then the term is 7. So 7 squared is 49. Should go here to make a product of y plus 7 squared, and this product should be equal to right here y minus a half squared. So then here, so minus 1/2 times minus 1/2 is plus 2.25. So let's write that down here. Then y squared plus 14y, and 10 squared is 49. That's equal to 117.75. Wait a minute. We added this quantity here, and we added this quantity here. What else do we have to do to make it even? We have to add it to the right side. So here, let's add 2.25, and let's also add 49. Okay. Computing this, we get 169 because these two because these two make 120, and 120 plus 49 is 169. So let's as we said before, let's factor into these two. So factoring this gives us x minus 1.5 squared plus y plus 7 squared, and also this is supposed to be x, I'm sorry for that. Okay, and then this is equal to 169. As we discussed before, this is the radius, and then the coordinates are at 1.5, negative 7. Okay, but what's the main thing that we need to know about the area of a circle? The area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. This value right over here is the radius squared. It's the radius squared. So what we have to do here is, since this is the radius squared, we already get r squared here, so it's 169 pi. So 169 pi is our answer. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. So stay tuned for more competition math videos and more STEM videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another video in STEM Olympics. Thank you.